bit for future also. Yeah, so look, so first stage you have qualified. Now there will be a state level camp of VVM. Just I want to tell you to everyone, some of you may be knowing, especially Samir may be knowing because he is from my class. I am his class teacher, so he may be knowing this story. I have already told in the class. Okay, I have already participated in one of the national talent search examination, and I have cleared district level, state level, and national level. So I'm not telling that I was a brilliant student at that time. I was not brilliant at that time. Okay, all the thing is that you need to be sincere and very much focused what you're trying to achieve. Number one, if you are thinking that you are going to that clear this state level also, then always remember now the real test will start. Real test means now you need to give more time to this VVM. You just leave about the academics. Academic will be there. It will go parallel by parallel. It will go parallel. Okay, in the school itself. If you are very much concentrated in the school, in the classes, you can manage that. But remember, the opportunity that you are going to get or the exposure that you are going to get in a state level, since you have already qualified. So in a state level, the students from all the schools of Jharkhand state, they will come. Okay, you will interact with them. You will learn a new thing from them. You can share or exchange the ideas with them. And that is very important for the personal growth. Okay, that is very important to the personal growth. Every day you are coming to the school and going to home. Every day you are meeting with the same friends here. So that will not enhance or increase your personality. When you are meeting new students or new friends, you are exchanging the idea, then your personality development will be there. At the same time, when you are going to attend that state level camp for the VVM, surely you will get the opportunity to interact with scientists, many scientists. Okay, those who are in Jharkhand. So you will get the interest or you will get the idea about the different fields of science that you are not knowing. And if you are able to qualify the state level also, when you will go to the national level, then I can tell you the opportunity that you will get, that will be huge, very huge, very huge. Because I have participated at national level in 2003. At that time, I have seen, okay, what was the opportunity. And since this time, if you are able to qualify the state level and you are going to attend the national level, there also, if your performance is very good, you will get the chance for internship. Okay, 1 month, 1 or 2 week internship with India's best research organization like ISRO, BARC. Everybody is not going to get the opportunity. India is a country of 1.5 billion people. Okay, and you all know about that thing. What is the role of ISRO, BARC, or other organization in the world? ISRO is one of the reputed organization in the world, not only in India. After NASA, it is or even it is far better than NASA. You know about that. Okay, the resources that is available there. How much resources is available to ISRO and how much output it is giving. So once again, I'm congratulating everyone. We will be connected every time. Now we will be connected. I will share all the information, all the study material, and from today itself, not tomorrow, from today itself, you start preparing. So what you will prepare? Number one, first your academics. Okay, not only the theory. In academics, when you study maths, physics, chemistry, or bio, okay, you build up the concept. You do your academic parts. First, you do your academic parts. Academic part is very important. Don't simply memorize. When you study Newton's law, for example, okay, when you study about the geometry circle, in conic section, suppose you study that circle. Don't only study about the equation of circle. You just apply the different things. Whether you have that aptitude of thinking beyond that limit, you just cross the limit. Even it is wrong, you start thinking about that. That will help you to clear that state level. So from today itself, you make up a mind that you are going to qualify the state level. You are going to clear that state level also, and you are going to appear in the national level. Hopefully, all of you, I know you all have the potential, because personally I know all of you. Sorry, all of you I may not be knowing, but I have heard from the teachers that you all are very good. 2-3 students I'm knowing personally, Samir and Sayyid Kausar Rahmani. These 2 students I'm knowing because I am teaching them, so I know them personally. But Harsika, Tavis, and yes, all are the good students. I've heard about you from the teachers. You all are good students. You can make it happen, and it's not very difficult task. If Javed sir can do, I was an average student at that time. You are far better than me. You can do it. You can easily do it. You can make it happen. Okay. So once again, congratulations to everyone. And now, Neil Ratan sir, if you want to say something to the students.
Yeah, sir. So once again, congrats everyone. Harshika, Sayed, Savish, Samir, and Yash. Okay, and we will help you in respective subjects. So be free to ask anything. Okay, regarding that. Got it, everyone. As we were helping, we will help you now also. There is no problem with that. David sir is there, and our faculty of science and math will be with you. Okay, so sure, most of you will convert this opportunity in the big honor to our school also, right? Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And once again, a big congratulations to everyone. Okay, you made us proud. Okay, because sister was busy with some work, so she was unable to attend. But once the school will open, then we will see what we can do for you. Okay, and other teachers were also supposed to, join the session, but due to the, because I have sent the link just half an hour before, that's why they were not able to join. But surely when the school will come, then we will gather together. We will gather and we will see what we can do, or together we will work, and surely we will make it happen. Okay. Anyone from you, if you want to say something, you can say. You are free to say.
Sir, when
how
the
much time
state
we
level
have?
Yeah. Tavis.
Sir, when will a state level competition happen?
Actually, it is not updated in that website. Once it will be updated, quickly I will update you. All of you, I will update. Okay, but don't wait for the last moment. Either it will be in the January last. It will not take much time. In fact, 15 days from here. You have only 15 days to 20 days. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because in February and March your final exam is there. So state level will be conducted either in the last week of this month or the first week of the next month, hopefully. But you just consider only 15 days from here. You consider only 15 days. So 15 days you have, you just polish yourself, you work upon theory, practical part most, your thinking ability. Okay, apply yourself. That will be more important, or that will be most important, in fact. Okay. Yeah. So Umam Rahmani, how you are feeling after qualifying for the state level? Umam, he was not connected.
Sir, I think Samir is.
Samir. Yes, Samir.
Yes, sir. What type of exam it would be, like objectives or practical, something like that?
Actually, it was written in that syllabus that it will be, practical based exam will be there. Objective, practical based, everything will be there now. Now you will be tested. Now real testing will start from here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Hasika Singh, do you want to say something? How you are feeling after qualifying state level?
Yes, sir, feeling nice, but nervous about state level. I don't know whether I'll be able to do or not.
No, you will surely do it. You have the potential. Don't be nervous. Okay. So we are going to end this session. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining. Shall we end it?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.